Okay, let's see how possessive pronouns are used in German language. So in English, those would be like my, your, his, her, and so on. So possessive pronouns. And in German, as you see in the first person singular, that is my, there are two forms, mine and mine. So when should we use what form? Let's see. On the right side here, there are family members. So die Schwester, feminine, sister. Der Vater, masculine, father. Der Bruder, masculine, brother. Die Mutter, feminine, mother. Die Eltern, plural, parents. Die Kinder, also plural, children. And let's say das Kind, okay, which is neutral, and it means a child. So mine, the first form, would be used if the nouns are masculine or neutral. Okay, so basically depends, and you have to know the gender of the nouns, or you cannot put the correct possessive pronoun. So in this case, it would be mein Vater, mein Bruder und mein Kind. Okay, so like my father, my brother, my child. Und meine would be used for nouns that are feminine and for plural nouns. Okay, so it would be meine Mutter, meine Schwester, meine Kinder, and that's it. Okay, so basically you have to know the gender, grammatical gender of the nouns. Okay, for your, so like second person singular or possessive pronoun, it would be dein or deine. Okay, so the rule of E ending applies to all forms. So meine is for feminine and plural nouns, and here also deine for feminine and plural nouns. So it would be deine Schwester, deine Mutter, deine Eltern, okay, like your parents and so on, and dein for masculine or neutral nouns. So dein Kind, dein Vater, dein Bruder, and so on. Okay, let's see here. Okay, let's see here, third person singular possessive pronoun, because a lot of mistakes happen when it comes to this person. So let's see his. His two forms are sein oder seine. Again, you have to know the gender of the noun. So it would be seine Mutter und sein Vater, zum Beispiel, okay? Her, it would be ihr oder ihre. Again, for example, ihre Mutter, ihr Vater, and so on. Okay? So what happens here is that many people make mistakes. So first, you have to take a look at the gender of the noun. So if I know that it's die Mutter, okay, then I take sein oder seine. Okay, so first that, and then I see, for his, it's sein oder seine, and then I take the form for example, the feminine noun. Okay, for its, it would be the same as for his, it's sein, seine. Okay, let's see plural. Okay, plural. Okay, our would be unser, unsere. Okay, again, E ending is for feminine and plural nouns. Okay, your, meaning group of people, it would be euer oder eure. Here you have to take you have to pay attention to the spelling, okay? It's kind of tricky. So you see, it's kind of reversed. Euer oder eure. And there would be ihr, ihre. Okay, if you take a look, it's the same as for her. Okay, so ihr oder ihre. How would you know? Well, you know, you will take context into consideration and you would know what the speaker wants to say or what you want to say. And ihr oder ihre is also used for, you know, the form your that is used for as a polite form. So that's how these functions. You have to know the gender, basically, but it's nothing difficult.